Here's a new 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, active noise cancellation, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.